cheating. That's what I found out.
So before this video begins, I need everybody to bow their heads and close their eyes. Alright guys, so we coming to you right now to work a miracle on these no eyebrows. I'm gonna need you to work an unusual miracle in the hands of Lynay. And you can replace my name with your name. If you saying this prayer with me, now you can say amen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we will be doing a eyebrow tutorial. As you guys see, I barely have any. Yeah, it's a long story about that, but that can be a different video. But let's get into the video. So I am going in with my razor. It is only $1.99 from the store, or you can just probably get it from the dollar store. But all you do is just shape up your eyebrows before you actually go in and try to make this miracle happen, okay? Alright, so now secondly, we will go in with the brush. Usually I would say for the second step, just trim your eyebrows with beauty scissors. But because, you know, this video I do not have any, I just go to the third step and just brush them out just to lay everything down. And now going in with my Morphe, it is only $9 at Ulta. Yeah. Yes, so it is in the color chocolate mousse. I definitely recommend not using a lot on your brush. So when you go in with this, you do not have to use a lot. This should last you a while, especially if you don't do your eyebrows a lot. But this should definitely last you a while. But for this part, you will go in with your angle brush. And you just start off with outlining everything, and I always start on the bottom. It doesn't matter if you start on the top or the bottom, but I always start on the bottom with just basically tracing out my eyebrow. And when I usually go in the front, I do not use any extra product. I always just use the remainder. But you do the same thing when you go onto the top, just basically tracing everything out. Once again, as you guys see, no extra product when you go on the front, and that is how you get the faded look, the natural fade look. Now look at that miracle. Man, oh man. So now I'm brushing out the little old hairs and doing the same thing, but this one you just gotta work a miracle. You gotta try and get the same arch. If not, then that is totally fine, because everyone says eyebrows are not sisters, they are cousins, okay? They may look alike just a little bit, but not exactly, depending on how blessed she was with some eyebrows. Yes, look at that. Making that eyebrow. What is really important when drawing out your eyebrow is that the part where it is really no hair, you would have to make your brush go the opposite way just to fill in that little gap. Alright, so here come the cleaning squad. The concealer and the flat brush. So this is a very important step also because this is just cleaning up anything that is out of place. So you just go in and outline the concealer under what you just drew for your eyebrow. I always take my time on this part. Alright, so now I go in with my own foundation. This is Fenty Beauty in the color 390. Then I just go in with a flat brush and just take a little bit of product. I'm sorry guys, I'm tired. But take a little bit of product and just do the same thing as you did on the bottom, just cleaning up everything. Going in and just blending everything back down because I cannot stand a harsh line. So just blend, blend, blend if you want it to be as smooth as possible. And to make it even better, you go in with your beauty blender. And once again, just blend everything out. Alright guys, so this wraps it up for my eyebrow tutorial. If you guys want more videos like this, just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell just so that you can see exactly when I'm posting, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!